in one of my most favorite resorts ever. It's Atmosphere here in Dauin, Negros Oriental. And I'm finally gonna show you what the resort looks like inside. So come and join me! We are gonna check in before anything else, and they have their sanitized stands. And we're just gonna fill out the form, and we are ready to go. We have welcome drinks. Unsa nite? Calamansi juice for their welcome drinks. Cheers! So we are now, thank you, heading to our rooms, and I'm so excited to show them their room because it's the best room here in the resort, you guys, because it has a pool of its own. So that's the bar and the infinity pool, and we have another infinity pool, and there, that's the Breeze restaurant, so you can have your dinner there as well as breakfast and lunch as well. This is their new addition to the resort aside from the restaurant there. And now guys, that's our room. We just finished swimming and we just ordered our dinner in advance, and right now I'm just chilling here in front of our suite, and there, sitting by the daybed. So we're gonna have dinner in about 15 minutes. So yeah, ayan na si Papalit, birthday niya today, so he's really enjoying the pool. Mahilig kasi tumaligo. Every time we travel, always siya naliligo. So yeah. Okay, now it's dinner time. It's 7:30 p.m. time check, and we are gonna have early dinner so we can wake up early tomorrow. And yes. So dinner time finally here in Breeze Restaurant with a view of the pool. And there's surprise birthday cake for Papalit's when he arrives in a bit. Yum, ayan, let's eat! Happy birthday to you! How old are you? Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you! Blow ah! Good morning guys, so it's our second day here in Atmosphere, and this is actually their second pool. So there's another pool at the back, and this is the second pool, and there's another pool there, that's their newest addition. So I'll show it to you later via drone shot. And yeah, we're having our breakfast here. So first agenda for today is get the drone shots done, and then have breakfast, and then enjoy the place. So this pool has a very beautiful view of the beach, infinity pool, and that is one of their restaurants, and that there's the reception area, that's the souvenir shop, and right here is the newest addition to the whole resort. This new pool, the Breeze restaurant, and the pool villas over there where we are staying. finally done shooting and we decided to move our location. Breakfast by the beach. Ganda ng view, guys.
I like the view.
You're my bestie. Yan, so we ordered shakes and
Pwede na di ka inom? Kapul?
they are taking it to a shadier area para daw hindi mainit yung drinks. So that is actually how good the service is here in Atmosphere. And yeah. Finally enjoying our premium pool suites villa. So daddy's chilling over there and the rest of the family are swimming at the pool. Ayan. Super nice here, guys. Finally time to join in. Yes! Lunchtime by the tree house with this view. Okay guys, so now we are gonna show you a tour of the spa. This is actually one multi-awarded spa and this is, I think, one of the best spas in the country, so be prepared. The inside looks like. So there's my mom getting her plant-based facial. Relax na relax. And hi ate. And this is their private tub, sink, and shower area for when you finish your massage. So you can also get a flower bath there, as seen in one of my pictures here. So this is one of their other massage areas as well. So nice. So I think this one is for couples. So they have shower area as well, complete shower area, and a bigger jacuzzi. And they have their toilet as well and their sink. So over here we have the deluxe rooms. So they're located behind the bar and it goes all the way there. And then this is where they have their spa. And then that over there is the souvenir area. Good morning guys. So it's our third and last day here in Atmosphere and we woke up early in the morning to really make use of our time here. And it's 6 a.m. and there is literally not a single soul here. Just the staff. It's so beautiful. Oh wait, there's someone doing laps. Oh, diba? Healthy lifestyle. Ako then, later, we are gonna do laps by the pool. Off to have breakfast and we just finished flying the drone. Oh, diba? It was sunburn. It's a hat and an umbrella at the same time. Good morning, guys. So we are finally done shooting with the best photographer of all time. So we're now eating. Hi, papalits. Nag-recharge yan kasi magdadrive yan ng 5 hours later. Hi, Mandiyo. Uy, nadulok-dulok. Yan, guys. Birthday niya yan yesterday, so bawal siya sitahin na may reflector yung ulo niya. Ilang beses ka nag-shampoo last night?
3.
3 times nag-shampoo. Pati bigote. Si Mommy. Hi, Mom! Morning! Baliktad yung shirt niya. So, this is Atmosphere's complimentary breakfast. So, you get bread, salami, egg, you get jam, and you get juice. Only juice, coffee, and tea. And you can eat it anywhere. You can eat it here, sa pool, or there by the restaurant where the 3 boys are because they can't be bothered sa pool. Ayan, si Daddy. Alright, so that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed my tour of Atmosphere Resorts, and now it's time to check out and head back home. And yeah, if you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, or check out my Instagram, which is @tialaxon. So we just finished checking out. Thank you for that wonderful weekend atmosphere. Thank you to the team who always is so welcoming to us here. Till next time, bye!